Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick, because it's literally been a game changer for my mornings. I used to wake up feeling sluggish and bloated. But since I started incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine, I've noticed a huge difference. The gelatin trick is all about adding a spoonful of gelatin to your water or tea first thing in the morning, and it's amazing how something so simple can have such a profound impact. My friend actually introduced me to the gelatin trick, and at first, I was a bit skeptical. But now I'm hooked. I love how it helps me wake up without that heavy, weighed down feeling. And it's been a total lifesaver on busy mornings when I need a boost. The gelatin trick has become a staple in my morning routine, and I feel lost without it. It's like my body has gotten used to the extra support it provides. And now, I can tackle my day with more energy and clarity. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for more info, and take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips to get you started. Trust me, your mornings will thank you.